Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show how I seal grout using COBBS Ultraseal Impregnating Sealer. So after cleaning and drying the floors, you want to flood the grout lines. And this would be easier with a 1-gallon pump sprayer, but today I'm using this small sprayer. And this is a solvent-based impregnating sealer, so it soaks into the grout lines like a sponge until the grout is saturated and can't hold any more sealant. And I like to do a few areas at a time, and after about 5 minutes, I'll use a microfiber mop to pick up the excess sealant. Whatever is left on the tile will flash off or evaporate without leaving a haze like most other water-based grout sealers do. And if you're curious about prices, 1 gallon of Ultraseal cost me about $35 and covered about 800 square feet in this home. I charged 30 cents a square foot to seal, which came out to $240, so I made about $200 profit to seal, and it took me an additional 30 minutes. After sealing, it's recommended to not use any water on the floors for 24 hours. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will put links in the description for what I used today. Thanks again for watching.